and welcome to our YouTube channel. Chiropractic care has changed my life. I'm Dr. Kim Khauv, former United States Navy chiropractor. I have published chiropractic research and presented at international conferences. I now have a great practice in Metro Manila, Philippines. With over 20 years experience, I have witnessed thousands of miracles through the power of chiropractic care. On our YouTube channel, we post weekly videos on chiropractic care and health. If this is your first time here, be sure to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell to be the first notified of new videos. I hope you enjoyed our video. We will continue to post videos on chiropractic care and health weekly. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the like button and leave a comment below. To support our efforts, please subscribe to our channel. Take care and be well.